IForum for South Africa igxeka urhulumente ngento okanye ngempendulo yakhe kwizidubedube ezenzekayo ezikolweni ingakumbi KwaZulu-Natal ngokunxulumene nokwamkelwa kwabafundi bakumazwe angaphandle abangenazo iimpepha. Kungoku nje iinkokheli ezinxulumene nentshukumo iMarch and March, iOperation Dudula kunye neqela lezopolitiko lomkhonto wesizwe zijamalene nezityholo zokuphembelela ubundlobongela ngexesha loqhankqalazo. Unobhala jikelele weFOSA olibambela uAaron Mukone ulumkisa ukuba urhuqa inyawo kukarhulumente kumba wokufuduka ongekho semthethweni kuza kutyhalela ilizwe kudushe olungalawulekiyo.
Ukwanda kwemibhikisho elwa nokubhaliswa kwabantwana abazalwa ngabantu bokufika kuleli abangekho emthethweni sekuhambeke ibanga elide selize lafinyelela ekuvulelweni kwamacala kwabasunguli-ke bale mbhikisho. Ngemuva-ke kwalokhu inhlangano yezepolitiki iFOSA isigxeke uhulumeni ngokuyishaya indiva le mbhikisho kanjalo-ke nokwanda kwabokufika kuleli.
South Africans are tired. South Africans are angry because this has been happening for now a long time. So now kids are involved. This is going to be a war. This is going to be a fight. So government, South African government, please do the right thing while there's still time. We don't want to see the uprising of 1976. We fought for this country. Our brothers, our sisters, our mothers and fathers, they died for this country. So by now we should have been happy having freedom. But no, it's not happening. And it is sad because this is happening because of our brothers, our black brothers. People that we appointed, we put there, we vote for them. But now they're not doing their job. They're only putting the money into their pockets. Now, the members of March to March, Operation Dudula in MK have been arrested. While there are leaders in top positions who've been found loitering money, not even one is arrested. So it shows that if you have money and power, then nothing is going to happen. But if you are just an ordinary person or ordinary citizen, you're going to be arrested.
Leli qembu lithi-ke akusenzi ukuzatshwala ngaphambi kokuthi-ke izwe libheke phezulu ngenxa yalezi nxushunxushu uma-ke uhulumeni eqhubeka nokungazinaki njengoba iyabonakala inhlokomo yalokhu. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi